window rattling, and basically what we have here is lots and lots of lightning. As you look out over the landscape, here's Maysville, so we're looking back towards the northwest here, and you can see a large area of rain that extends from Michigan all the way to western Kentucky, and the heaviest line of thunderstorms is right here. Now, earlier today,
that's why I gotta get up here.
Looks like between 3 and maybe 4.
I was getting wet. Oh, that's only one door on there. Yeah. I was getting wet as hell. It's like, fuck this. It ain't worth the video.
I'm recording right now.
Right.
See it?
It ain't worth the video. Oh. We gonna die. I told her I should call the wife and kids. Hide your kids, hide your wife.
Hide your kids.
It's tornado coming for you.
A lot of people awakened by the storms as they roll eastward, so they're moving now. It's just a little ways
They won't understand. We don't have tornado there.
Yeah,
no tornado.
Durham County, Brown County, Highland County, Adams County, still a little ways away from getting into the strong storms. Now remember the cell we just looked at that was south of Middletown? It's all the way over here now in the northwestern part of Warren County, and then the cells that are moving out of the Fairfield area are moving eastward, and all these are going to move to the east. This is the cone that this stuff refers to. 5 points at 148, Waynesville, 156. Waynesville, of course, is right up here in Warren County, and Harvey's.
I was about to finish.
You were about to finish?
Yeah, I was about to finish 7A.
So you were the last one to get here?
Yeah.
That a system that looks
But
we just got to get here.
I parked my car over there too.
not quite as dangerous now.
I didn't park the place where they used to park.
Severe storms, and we go to Frank now with some more.
See, we're already passing
Can we
now.
mention, Steve, which is
Good.
for sure weakening, and which is.